You're able to remove the backpack straps off the Patagonia black hole duffel bag and store them inside the main compartment. The question is, how do you get them back on? This is One Bag Travels, a channel where I give bag reviews and travel advice and try to answer people's questions about specific products. If you like this sort of thing and you want to learn more about carry-on travel, then please consider subscribing to our channel. The first step to ensuring you have the backpack straps correctly is making sure they're in the right orientation. You want the curved part of the strap to be facing the middle of the pack. If you have them on backwards, they're going to be really uncomfortable. On mine, the Patagonia label is on the right side as you're looking at the pack. The next step is to attach the top of the straps to the backpack. The backpack strap have this black plastic buckle that's going to go inside of this D-ring on the backpack. The easiest way to get it in there is to fold the top of the backpack strap down so you have some wiggle room to play with on this buckle. And then you just insert it inside of the buckle and it holds itself in place. Attaching the bottom of the straps is pretty straightforward. You're just going to use the male and female end of this buckle and attach them together. Unfortunately, I haven't found a very good way to get rid of the top carry handles when you're carrying the bag in backpack mode. If you attach them together like this, then the handle is going to be right in the middle of your back when you're carrying it. The only other option is to detach them and just let them hang on the side of the bag. You can use something like this small aluminum carabiner to clip them to the daisy chain lashing points on the outside of the bag. That's about the only solution that I've found. If you have any other questions about the Patagonia black hole duffel, then I'll be happy to answer your questions in the comments section below. And thanks for watching.